Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix Instagram. Sorry, there was a problem with your request. Means when you are logging to Instagram account and you face this kind of problem, then I will tell you how can you fix this kind of problem. For this, first of all, you have to open a browser in your Android, which may be Chrome, where you have to search for Instagram. After you have searched for Instagram, you can look for Instagram login in the search result. As you can see in the video, if you click on login Instagram, then you will find your Instagram account here, which means you can easily log in your Instagram account in your browser if you are logging to your Facebook ID on that browser. After that, you have login to your Instagram account on the Chrome browser or any browser you have. Then you have to first of all do the following steps to avoid the problem which is occurring to you in the future. For this, you have to click on profile. After that, you have to click on settings. In settings, you have to click on privacy and security. In privacy and security, you will find many options related to privacy and security. You have to scroll down and you will find an option like two-factor authentication, which means you have to authenticate your Instagram account by text or any other way. You can authenticate your Instagram account so that you can avoid this kind of error in future. But if you are not solving this error, this method can also solve this error. After you have successfully logged into your Instagram account on your browser, after you have to close your browser and you can log into your Instagram account now easily. Before this, you have to clear all your recent apps. After that, you can easily log into your Instagram account, and this type of error will not occur if you do the previous steps like two-factor authentication. Hope you have liked this information. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.